Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Today we've got a device which is not a common thing, that's to set up satellite dishes, I mean. So yes, as you see, battery is out. I found a problem and I found a solution, so I've decided to record it. There are two cables, one is to charge the battery probably, and the second is just to give the power from the battery back to the whole device. Then it's charging via mains as well, so you've got a connector here, typical connector like you've got in Xboxes. IC7 or something it's called. It's this type. So it's a typical one. So how I fixed it was I've opened the battery pack because I've seen 0 volts on it, and I found that this cell, yes, this cell is just faulty. So I've decided to solder another one from the old battery from the laptop, and guess what? I've checked that now it's a proper voltage on those pinouts here where battery is connected, because there are 2 stacks of batteries, and now I've plugged in this battery to the device, yes, to this satellite scanner or whatever it's called. So actually I would like to know what it's called, but it's HS-S2, HS-S2 Horizon Digital Satellite Meter, that's what it is. So yes, so I've done it, I've plugged it in, and guess what, it's charging, yes. So yeah, we can switch off bench power supply. Now what I will do, yes, I will just solder this instead of this cell, and that's us. Thank you, and see you in the next episode. If possible, please do like, because that's really helping this channel. So thank you guys, and bye bye.